Hey guys, what's going on? Getting bugged out here. Right now, I am currently on the top of Cuesta Ridge in San Luis Obispo, California, doing a little bit of car camping. So just kind of checking in with everybody, saying hello, saying what's up, what's happening, what's cracking. Man, this is the weirdest intro I've ever done. But just wanted to show you what I got going on up here. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Got up here probably around like 11:30 last night. Rolled back into town. I was up in Monterey doing a couple things, and then just decided to cruise down here because I had never spent the night on Cuesta Ridge. And having lived in San Luis Obispo for 3 or 4 years, actually closer to 5, I really wanted to do this, and finally got the chance to give it a shot. So here's my camping rig. Van life, bro, van life. But yeah, you know, it was actually pretty tight. It was cool to wake up on the mountain, and I've been working on some drone footage from up here. Just got a cool running shot up here on the mountain going up this trail or this road here. And we're gonna be getting all kinds of good shots today. I'm working on a Nike Hoka collab commercial, so that'll be cool. I know it's kind of odd to have 2 big brands together like that, but it should turn out awesome. And gonna mix in some of my own music with it, and yeah, it's gonna be sick. So just gonna be doing a lot of exploring today. Gotta go find some food, and we're gonna be on the trails a lot. So I'll take you guys with me on this journey. Let's get it. Made it to the Taqueria, about to pick up a breakfast burrito, get this day started right. Need to get some food in me. I am absolutely starving, so I am juiced. Haven't been to this spot before. Definitely excited to check it out. So it's right here on corner of Foothill and Santa Rosa. Wow. Wow. Got a 805 breakfast burrito, chorizo, bacon, french fries, guac, salsa. Big vibes. Can't believe I'm already doing my second mukbang, bro. Logan's really on that vlogger shit. Y'all enjoy watching me eat? You know, a little bit better view for you guys. Smack it. Nice and crunchy for y'all y'all ASMR fetish. It's pretty fucking good. Taqueria San Miguel. Banging. San Luis Obispo. Starting the day right. I just had this awesome thought about chameleons. You know, like the little lizards that can change color. Chameleons. And I feel like humans are like chameleons in a way that, like, we can change ourselves into whoever we want to be at any moment. All we have to do is make the choice to do so. So we might not change colors on the outside, but we can change colors on the inside. And that's pretty cool. Probably gonna write a book about that. Chameleon. So when I was up in Monterey the other day, I wanted to cruise down Highway 1 back into San Luis Obispo. But unfortunately, Highway 1 is kind of cut out with a, they had like a rock slide, so the highway's closed. But now that I'm in slow, I looked at the map and I found a waterfall hike that I've never done before called Salmon Creek. It's only about an hour away, so I picked up a giant Deli sub and I'm headed up there now. Super excited to check it out. Still got some drone battery left, so hopefully I can get some cool running shots up there for my commercial. And yeah, just gonna take you guys along for the ride. So got some DeltaX playing in the background if you guys, yeah baby, can't copyright the G who made it. Fucking perfect vibes. Let's go have some fun in the mountains before cruising back down to LA. Here on the Cambria Big Sur coast. It's just incredible. Way over there. Just taking the drone up. Got some excellent shots of the rock formations out here, so that's sick. Prius is looking beautiful, as usual. What a hot, sexy ride. And yeah, unfortunately the drone batteries aren't charging, so I'm kind of out of battery with drone, almost, which is a little unfortunate. So gonna have to shift my commercial deadline to the end of the month, but that's all good. Yeah, just enjoying it, getting lots of good shots and lots of good video. So, you know, hanging out on the coast. Gonna spin a Yui here and cruise it to Salmon Creek. So let's get it. Whoop! Alright guys, just parked at Salmon Creek. About to head into it. Looks pretty popular. Quite a few cars parked out here. But we'll get into it and see what it's all about. Keeping an eye out for the bear. The bear, the big bear doesn't know about the big dog. Hey.
Glad we wore flip-flops.
Yeah. Have a good one. Hey. I wanted to bring the drone in here, dude. That was a quick trip to the falls. Less than 5 minutes. Wow. This is incredible. Only a 5-minute walk off the highway. Can't believe I haven't been here before. This is just like calling my name to jump in. And I got my trunks on, so I'm ready to go. So just gonna eat some lunch and get in the water. Freaking awesome. right, guys, that's Salmon Creek. So I don't know if I fucked up my microphone now that I went swimming with it. But if so, apologies. Big apologies on that. I feel completely refreshed. This is one of the coolest spots I've ever been. I keep finding these little tucked like gems. These are diamonds, baby. Straight diamonds. I love it. I love it. I'm lost, but I feel found. And yeah, man, you know, this is just like, wow, I am really like, look at this jammer I just got myself into. I'm pretty sure this is not the trail. Ow. Oh, big backpack problems. Oh, now you know what it's like to have a big cock. I think I'm going the right way. But yeah, just keep finding these little gems, little diamonds in the mountains and in the forests, and I'd say Salmon Creek is my new favorite. So looking forward to coming back here again someday. I gotta get back on the road, but I mean, how can't you love this? This is just next level. Wow. Very blessed, very grateful. Out here at Ragged Point. Look at that. Money shot, baby. Gotta go through the portal. Gotta go through the portal. Woo! Woo! I made it through the portal. I didn't film it because it was kind of sloppy. Look at all the love locks. I did a love lock when I was in high school. Pretty sure the city came and cut it off with a bolt cutter. It was like I put it downtown with my girl and they bolt cut it off, and yeah, that relationship didn't last too long. But I hope all these people are still together. You know, who knows, man? It's a fancy lock. Wow. Drake here? This one has a passcode. Subscribe. Watch another video. All right, I'm out of here.